Hello friends, welcome back to Krazy Hodophiles. We are back with another video on the channel. This time we are going to talk about one of the investments that we did in order to improve the audio quality, because we were receiving quite a few suggestions about the up and down of the audio when it goes online on YouTube than what we had actually recorded for all of you. So we did go ahead and decide on purchasing a mic. We did a lot of research and came across this one mic which was really amazing and had some great reviews, and we bought it along with the tripod. So please stay tuned as we do the unboxing and give an honest review about the mic.
After doing a lot of research, as I mentioned in our video earlier, we finally found the right mic for our audio. This mic is called the BOYA BY-M1 Omnidirectional Lavalier Condenser microphone, and it comes along with a 20 feet audio cable, which would help you to shoot outdoor videos as well, because you would have a lot of wire which you can use and you can spread out and you can cover the whole area. When it was delivered to us, it was packed in a cardboard bag. Now, as soon as we took it out, we saw that there is a leather pouch as well, along with a warranty card, which is important because there is a warranty on this product as well. So as soon as I looked into the pouch looked pretty good in quality and seemed like it was a leather material. And as soon as you open it, you would be able to see there is the mic, and along with the mic, there are the cushions as well, which are provided. These cushions help you to reduce the noise, and you can simply go ahead and put it on the microphone, and that would help you to get good audio. Now, as soon as you look and you pull it up, you would be able to see that the batteries are also provided along with the product, along with a jack which can be used in case you are looking to record. You just need to put it into the equipment. Now, just wanted to let you know that depending on what kind of DSLR you use, you will have to either purchase a 2.5mm jack, or if your DSLR supports a 3.5mm jack, that would work as well. Along with the cushions, if you look at it carefully, you would see there's a clip as well, which is used to just tie it to your t-shirt or whatever you are wearing, so that the mic stays stable and gives you a good audio clarity. If you look at the pouch would also have the company name written on it as BOYA. So guys, the microphone comes with a 20 feet audio cable. 20 feet audio cable, trust me, it's too much. You can go ahead and use it to even tie up your neighbors if they are noisy. Why do I say that? In case you are wondering, it's something that I'll tell you towards the end of the video. Sorry guys for the blurry video, because was facing a tough time fixing this mic and handling the camera at the same time. So please accept my apologies for that. However, there is a user manual as well that comes along with the mic, so you can just go through it, and then everything would be clear. Even if you were not able to follow some things that we tried to show on the video, you would be able to follow it up through that manual, and you should be good. As you can see on the screen, there's a battery container that I spoke about earlier. Now, the battery that came along with the product, you just need to take it out and just open it just like it's shown on the video and plug it in, and it's ready to record.
This is the container where the battery goes, and that gives the power to the mic, and you can go ahead and use it along with a smartphone or a laptop or even a DSLR. Now, the only thing that you need to keep in mind is there is a small button that you will be able to see once you purchase this mic. When you're using it with your mobile, it actually uses the power of your mobile phone, so it doesn't actually need the battery backup. What you need to do or be careful about is whenever you're using it with a laptop or a DSLR, you need to just put the button to the option that says camera. As soon as you do that, automatically it will start working and it will start taking the benefit of the battery and it will give the power back.
And guys, not to forget, this mic comes with a 1-year warranty as well. So in case you face any trouble with it, you can always complain through their customer relations number, and also you can go ahead and check it on the box. There would be a contact detail mentioned, so just follow it up and you should be good. To give an honest opinion about this mic, it's a blessing in disguise as it's very powerful. Just one drawback is that it catches every background sound, so either you use this mic at a very quiet place, or as I said earlier, just tie up your noisy neighbors with the cable of the mic. So guys, as you can see that we are working really hard to bring up new videos every week and help everyone out. So a little bit of love by subscribing to our channel and liking whatever content we are coming up with would really be helpful to go a long way. So thank you so much for all the love and care that you have shown. And if you like this video as well, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel Krazy Hodophiles and share it with everyone. Do not forget to switch on the notification bell so that you keep receiving updates related to our future videos as well.